Hi and welcome back to another review. Today we are looking at a Formula One shirt, and this is the Fernando Alonso Renault shirt from Formula One 2006 season. And the shirt itself comes in a standard bag. On the flip side, again, it is just a standard plain bag. Sale of this shirt was zvbest1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I do like doing the Formula One shirts actually. I like all the designs on, like the sponsors. I think it just looks really quite smart. So looking forward to getting this one out of the bag and having the in-depth look at it. If you are new around here and you enjoy this content, then please hit the like button. It does help my channel out. And also subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. As I said, the seller of this one is zvbest1.com. Details for the seller will be in the description of this video. So what we'll do now then is we will get this shirt out of the bag and we'll have a look at the Fernando Alonso 2006 Renault shirt. Okay, we're on the front of the shirt, and I said it in the intro, I absolutely love these designs. Telefonica, Mild 7, Elf, Hanjin, Renault, Fernando Alonso, Guru, and then we've also got some on the sleeve as well. We've got Michelin up there, Mode, Mild 7 again, and these are all printed into the material, which is absolutely perfect actually, because then you haven't got the worry or the risk of anything falling off when you're washing it or wearing it regularly. So for me, when it's printed into the material, it's so much better. On this sleeve you've got Mild 7, Mode and Michelin again. They look really nice. The stitching looks absolutely perfect all around there. Got a nice yellow bar down the side there, and the bottom hem line looks good. Just give you a closer look at each one. So there's your Telefonica, there's your Mild 7, Elf and Hanjin, hopefully I'm pronouncing that one correctly. There's Renault, Fernando Alonso and Guru. The material of this is quite a heavy material, so it's a really nice material, very luxurious. Just give you that full overview and then we'll flip it around to the back. There are some more logos on the back. Okay, I'll move to the back of the shirt now, and we have a big Mild 7 logo in the middle, which again, all of these logos are in the material. We've then got Renault and then Elf. So let's have a closer look at first the Mild 7. We'll flip it around on the inside, then you can see what it looks like on the inside of the material as well. But just on the outside, and there's your Renault, and there is Elf. The colours, I don't know if it's coming through on the camera really well, but they are really bright actually, really nicely situated on the shirt, stands out nicely. Stitching again on the back looks absolutely perfect. And just to finish up, oh, missed my hand going in the sleeve there, just give you that final look, a bit better detail at the sleeve sponsors. There is a little bit of excess cotton up there, but we can soon chop that off. The rest of the stitching looks absolutely perfect. So what we'll do is we'll flip it inside out, and then you can have a look at what the logos look like from the inside of the material. Okay, we're on the inside now, so just going up to the top. Stitching all looks good around there. And now, as I mentioned, the sponsor logos on this are printed into the shirt, so you can now see what it looks like from the inside. So obviously you've got your Renault, you've got your Fernando Alonso, you've got your Guru, I think it was, Telefonica, Mild 7, Elf and Hanjin, or however you pronounce it. But yeah, no concerns at all. It's been printed on lovely. So there's no stitching or nothing on the inside where you can see how it's been put on. And likewise with the sleeves ones, there's your Michelin, your Mode and your Mild 7 again. There is a crease down there, there's a couple of creases on this side as well, but that's just where the shirt's been in the bag. Once you've worn this or washed it, then those creases will soon disappear. There is a tag just there, which is probably washing instructions, which it is. I would still, as with the football shirts, I'd still flip it inside out, put it on a hand wash setting, just because you don't want your colours to bleed or anything. So that would still be my recommendation. Again, not going to whack it in the dryer. One of these ones you will let hang dry and just hit the normal air. So we'll flip it over and look at the final side of the in part of the shirt. Okay, so here's the final part of the shirt. We'll just jump straight into the tag. It is a Sport Performance one. It's just a standard generic tag, nothing fancy at all. It does have the size both there and there, which is an XL. And with these shirts, they are true to size. So if you're buying a Formula One shirt and you are a size XL, then XL is what you need. This shirt actually isn't for me, it's for a family friend. So yeah, I won't be wearing this one, but they are a standard XL. Actually quite a, I'm not going to say large, but they've got a muscly frame. So I know that this will fit them absolutely perfectly. Again, as we had on the other side, the sponsorship logos have all been printed into the material. So you can see the mild 7 just there. You then got the Renault and then Alpha at the bottom. And again, there is a big old crease line down there, just from the shirt being in the bag, but obviously because it's printed into the material, this doesn't hamper the condition of it at all. So again, once the shirt's been worn, washed, the creases will all disappear, and you've then pretty much got a perfect shirt. Okay, we'll flip it around to the outside and then we're done. Okay, so there it is. There is our look at the 2006 Fernando Alonso Renault shirt from zvbest1.com. I absolutely love doing these Formula One shirts. As I've said throughout the video, the graphics on them are absolutely amazing. The quality of the shirts are absolutely outstanding. It's just something a bit different from the football ones. Obviously, I do love doing my football ones as well, but sometimes it's nice just to look at these sort of shirts as well. And I've had some good feedback from the Formula One ones, so I'll keep these ones coming every now and then. Obviously, we do tend to focus on the football ones, but every now and then we will throw in a Formula One shirt, a basketball shirt, and all sorts like that. Seller, zvbest1.com, all their details will be in the description of this video. If you've got any comments, questions or messages, by all means leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. It can be around this shirt, around the seller, or just any questions in general. I'll happily respond when I can. If you have enjoyed this one, please do hit that like button, because it does help my channel grow and get my videos out to more people. If you fancy sharing it, again, really much appreciated. And subscribe if you're new, as I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. But thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, the Fernando Alonso 2006 Renault shirt from zvbest1.com. Sorry. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.